for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my declutter with me for 2025 for the new year. I made one other New Year's video, but so I've been avoiding doing this video for probably about a week because I do not want to clean my room. It's not a lot, like my room is not messy, but it's just I have a lot of stuff to go through. So declutter doesn't just mean clean, it means getting rid of stuff and just starting over. So this is gonna be really hard because I do have a lot of stuff, but it's gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna feel fresh afterwards. The main thing that I'm worried about generally is my closet, because I just kind of just like throw stuff in my closet, so I'm kind of scared for that, but I think it will be somewhat okay. But then the second is my bathroom. So like in my room is like okay, but like the little places in my room is like what's really bad, so I'm kind of scared for that, but it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're going to start with my closet. I'm gonna try to show you guys like kind of what my closet's looking like for real, but like all of it. So without hiding it, this is what my closet is looking like. There's a lot of clothes to go through and shoes to go through, and just like cleaning all of this, and then just going through a bunch of stuff in here. So this is what it's looking like right now, and it's not looking good. I'm going to just take all the stuff that's hanging up, and then we're gonna go through that first because I feel like that's probably the easiest. Or I'm kind of in between just like stripping the entire closet and taking everything out and starting over, or going section by section. So I'm gonna decide. I think it will probably be a lot easier to just take everything out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick.
Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that child. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests.
This is what the damage is looking like. So this is my closet. You know, I didn't take any of my shoes or anything down because I don't even want to do that right now, because this is what the damage looks like. Why do I have this much stuff, guys? I feel like this is like insane. Half of this is about to go in the trash. Clothes, that's understandable, but damn. And then there I have this drawer, and then I have all this stuff, and there's so much to just go through. I'm honestly at a loss for words because I don't even know what I'm about to do. I don't know what I'm about to do, and my phone is about to die. I think while I let my phone charge, I'm just gonna throw away like all this trash in here, and then I'm gonna vacuum my closet, and then we're gonna start going through clothes and hanging them up. So I'll see you guys in a second. I got really hot, so I did an outfit change, but I vacuumed the closet and everything, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now. Not a big difference, but okay. So this is where we're starting out with. I don't know if I want to do how I did it. So how I did it was I had all my dresses, then I had all my crop tops, and then hanging off one hanger right here I had all of my tops, like tops that don't have sleeves and stuff, so like my tube tops. And then I had all my regular t-shirts here, and then here I had all my sweaters. And I never hang anything down here because I think it's ugly and it takes up way too much room. I want to get rid of whoever decided to put this in here. I actually hate it. But so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, it doesn't really matter because first step is going through all of these clothes. I'm not excited because there's freaking clothes all over the place, so we're just gonna go step by step. Out with first, I don't know if I want to do like my shirts and then hoodies. I even have another group of clothes that just came out of the washer, so I don't even know what I want to do. But I guess first we'll start with t-shirts, and then we'll move to tops because I feel like tops is more complicated. So first we're gonna do t-shirts. Okay, this is all my t-shirts. This is really heavy. This is all the t-shirts, and this isn't even the ones that I just put out of the washer, and ones that were dirty, and ones that didn't have enough room to be hung. So we have to go through all of these. One is this Aeropostale one. This makes a good summer shirt. This looks good with my summer outfits. but I haven't really worn it in a while, but I guess it can stay for a little bit. Next one is this shirt. I wear it a lot for pajamas, so it could stay. Next is this oversized shirt. I also wear this one a lot for pajamas, so it's allowed to stay. I just got this one for some of my outfits. I wear it with my tube tops, so it's allowed to stay. I also just bought this one, so it's allowed to stay. This one I use in athletics, but I feel like it just kind of takes up space, so we're gonna put it in the maybe pile. This one I don't really wear. I got it on Shein. The only reason I don't really wear it is because it's too big for me, and I couldn't really find any like outfits for it, but it is a good pajama shirt, and it's like it has a nice texture to sleep in, so I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. Next is this shirt that I accidentally stole from my cousin. I don't really wear it like that, but it could go in the maybe pile. Next is this shirt that I got when I was in like 6th grade. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the maybe pile because I always wear this as like a pajama shirt. Actually, I'm gonna keep this one because I usually actually do wear this for a pajama shirt a lot, and I use it to dry my hair, so I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I wear this one a lot, so this one's a keeper. Again, this is like a pajama shirt, and then I've never really wore it was like an outfit because I usually wear hoodies or like I'll wear tops like this, but for pajama shirt I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. I do not wear this shirt often. I wear it sometimes, but I don't really put any like outfits together with this. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to say I don't really want to give it away though. We're gonna keep her. We're gonna go ahead and I don't know. Another Hello Kitty shirt. I just got this. We're not even halfway done, guys. We have a lot to do, but I'm going to do a little bit more off camera because I want this to go like a lot faster. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, super random, but I found this Juicy Couture sweater, and I'm actually so happy because I didn't even know I had this. Well, like I did, but like not consciously, and I found it, and it's so cute. So I have my AirPods in because I'm listening to music and talking at the same time, but I did my closet and I have a new arrangement, but I want to show you guys my entire closet like at the end when it's all coming together. The next thing that we have to go through is my little hanger of all my tops, and then I keep all my really good bras on here too. So we're just gonna go through my tops because some of them I don't even wear, so I feel like it's okay to get rid of some. I have gotten rid of a lot of stuff. I have a bunch of hangers now. I used to not have any hangers, but now I do. So we're gonna go through my tops. It was so ghetto because the hanger they were on broke, so it's been on a broken hanger. I don't know why. First top, I'm obviously keeping this one because I just got it, is this black tube top. Brown tube top. I just got it. I love it. We're keeping it. Next is this other... Stop, why is it upside down? Next is this other tube top. Listen, I actually love this top, but the only problem is I can never find an outfit for it, but I think I'm kind of close to getting there and finding like how to put this. If you guys have made it this far in the video, if you're seeing this, please give me ideas for this tube top. I'm gonna see if I can put a picture of it because I got it on Shein. Hopefully there's a picture here. Help me style this, please. Tell me what I could get for this. Next is this one. I'm obviously keeping this one because I also just got this one. I wore this one so much over the summer, it's actually not even funny. And then next I have this this top where it just kind of goes like straight across. This one's a really cute summer top too. Obviously these are summer tops, but this one, and then this one ties in the back. I'm obviously keeping this one. And then I can't believe this is even a shirt, but this is a tube top as well. It literally looks like a headband, but that's besides the point. And I have a plain black tube top, and I'm not even gonna go through it, but I have this black one, and then I have a plain white one. Then I have this one that goes like around the neck like this, and then it comes and then it goes around. This one is a little too big for me, but it's really cute when I did wear it, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start a new tops hanger because I don't want to put them on separate hangers because I feel like that's a waste. So those were all of my little tops. Those were ones that I don't want to put on a hanger, but next we're gonna go through the ones that I do put on a hanger. These are all my tops. It's not a lot, but these are all my ones that I need to hang up that are like, I'm gonna try to show you guys. I can't really get up, but it's like, these are like tops that like go like this high or like that go down, so they're not like t-shirts. This is what a top is, right? I think. The first one is this one. I'm really sad because I wore a new sweater with it and got all these white fuzzy things on it. But I love this shirt so much that I'm gonna sit here and pick every single little one off because you guys don't understand how much I love this shirt. Here's a video of me in it. And my auntie gave it to me, so I don't even know where to get another one. So I'm not even gonna risk it. So I love this one, we're gonna keep it. This one, I have this one in black, this gray, and white. I got these on Shein, but they're like a little too big. Like they're too loose. Like I wanted them to fit like this and then be like right here, but they're just like way too big. So I think that I'm probably just gonna, I don't know. I don't really know what I wanna do. I think I'm just gonna keep them and we'll decide like later on during the summer when I wear my tops regularly. And then if I don't like them, I'll give them away in the summer. Here's the white one. But they are really cute. I just need to order another size, so I'm not gonna say don't get them. Next is this baby tee. I think I got it from Target, or did I get it from Airpostal? I'm not sure, but I love this baby tee. It was my first ever like top and I love it. And there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not giving it away. This one is considered a top because of how tight fit it is, because I wouldn't wear it like a t-shirt. And it also doesn't go all the way down, so I consider it a top, but it's long sleeve. But I don't really like it because it's way too see-through, and then the sleeves do not fit right. Like it's just like, instead of it being like this, it's like all the way over here. And I don't really like it, but it does look good with like specific fits, so I keep it. Like it's like one of those things that you can only wear with a certain kind of fit thing. Then I have this like BBL jacket. Is that what we're calling it now? I have one that's cropped. I haven't had an opportunity to wear it out. I've only like worn it like in the house, but it's like super cute and I wear it to get my hair done. I actually love this. I can't wait until I find a fit to wear it with. And I just got this one. It's actually so cute. Like I actually love this shirt. I wore it in my other my other YouTube video. I love this shirt. This one, it fits just like this one, except it's like obviously a different color. I also love this shirt. I love tops, I don't know why. Then I got this one and I have it in a different color too. And this one is like, this is more of like a summer shirt. I wear this one over the summer a lot. I'm gonna keep it. There's nothing wrong with it. Then I got this one. This is more of a summer shirt too, but it's really cute. But I don't wear it a lot, but I'm still gonna keep it. I got these in 6th grade. Get rid of it. So these are my tops that I'm keeping. Next thing to go through is my dresses, and it's not a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. It's like a bodycon dress. I'm gonna keep all of these because they're super cute, especially with my jackets. I don't know why I have them like hung like this, but I'm just gonna hang them up regularly. I don't know why I have them hung like this. So yeah, there's this one. Then I have this tighter like ruffle dress that's like a tight fit dress and it's super cute. Then I have this dress. I'm gonna wear it over the summer. The only reason I haven't really worn it is because the back is a little loose, so I want to try sewing it so that it fits a little bit better. This hanger has 2 dresses in one. So I have this red one that I wore to my little cousin's like coronation, or not coronation, something that starts with a C. And then I have this pink one with the open back, and then it's like tight fit. I love both these dresses, so I'm gonna keep them. And I usually wear like the red one to church with like some sandals over the summer, and yeah. Then I have this floral one. It doesn't fit me anymore, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it away because it just doesn't fit right and I never really wear it, so I'm gonna give it away because it's honestly just taking up space, unfortunately. And then this is my homecoming dress. I'm keeping this one, obviously. And then I have another black bodycon dress there with the dresses section, but I also have this black crop top that I don't really wear a lot because I don't really like the way it looks. I also haven't found the right outfit for it, but I'm gonna keep it though to give it some fair opportunity. So this is another top. I still have a fair amount of clothes on my bed to go through, but I'm gonna go through those off camera and then I'll show you guys my closet when it's finally done. I found another top, guys. I don't know how I'm feeling about this one. It has this. Actually, I love this top. I don't even know why I said that. This isn't really important, but it's such a cute, like, it has such a good crop to it and it has such a good flow, so I'm keeping this one. And I can't wait for summer to come back so I can wear it. You know why nobody's gonna tell me my ring light was way too bright. I feel like that's okay, but when I post it on YouTube, it looks completely different. I don't like that. Next thing to get out of the way is the drawer that I had in there. I'm not excited for this part. I'm actually least excited for this, if I'm gonna be 100% honest. Here's what it's looking like right now. I did actually decide to use that bottom one because it saves so much space. And I want to put my books right here. And then I put this on this side. So it looks a lot more organized. But I still have to get up there. This is all the stuff I still have to go through though. It looks like a lot, but it's kind of not. It looks like a lot better. But I just have to go through all this and clean up, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'm not exactly done with my closet, but I'm doing my windowsill as well because I'm moving my books to my closet. So this is what it's looking like. I already started moving some stuff, but I just want to put like candles and stuff right there because I don't like how messy it looks, and it's just starting to look ratchet, and just stuff is just piling up. I don't like it.
I'm trying to get you in your birthday. I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me.
I honestly don't know what to do with this windowsill. I was gonna put my perfumes in front of it, but I feel like that's like really weird. So I'm not sure what to do now. I really like these candles up here. I like having my candles up there, but I do want somewhere to put this box, but I don't know where to put it. I'm so confused. I don't know what I want to do. I really like my little Spider-Man setup that I have right there with my Spider-Man poster, but I feel like my room is upgrading that, and I have a bunch of Spider-Man stuff on my other wall. Fortunately, my room needs to look more mature, even though I'm still a big fan. Keep this like this for now because I'm not sure really what to do with it because that looks so freaking weird. I wanted to put something in the corner, but I can't find anything to put in the corner right there. Like, oh shit. I guess we could just keep it plain because I think that's okay. And we'll find something to do with these. I'll probably just put it in my closet and we'll find somewhere to put it later. It's actually looking good. Next step is cleaning off my desk. I can't get the angle that I want, but this is what it's like looking like. I'm probably just gonna time lapse me doing that, but it's not like a lot, but it's a lot at the same time. I just wanted to look organized because I don't really use my desk, so let's do that. Okay, super random. It's the next day, by the way, and I just have to clean my bathroom, but I finished my room. But I tried this outfit, and I want you guys to tell me if it looks bad or if it looks good. It's super far, but what do y'all think? I think it's really cute, but I feel like it needs a belt. Like, that's it. But I think that, like, other than that, like, the fit is low-key super cute. Let me know what y'all think, please. I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my bathroom, but there's really nothing, like, important about my bathroom. And then also, this is actually gonna be a clean out my closet with me because I feel like that's mostly the majority what it was. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call it that, but I will see you guys later. Bye.
When it's in a hassle, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, then I knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind.